Most people don't panic when they lose sleep. They just push through their day-to-day activities completely unaware of what continuous poor sleeping habits can do to their bodies. So, let's explore some of the consequences of neglecting one of life's essential needs, sleep. Sleep is more than just a passive state. It is one of the most active and critical processes that happens in the human body. It is divided into two main stages, the REM sleep and the non-REM sleep. REM sleep is where the brain works. It processes memories, it regulates your emotions, and it supports learning. The non-REM sleep is where physical repair happens. Your tissues heal, your muscles recover, and your immune system gets to reset. Each full sleep cycle lasts about 90 to 120 minutes. A healthy night includes 4 to 6 complete cycles. When sleep is disrupted, these cycles never finish and the repair process is left incomplete. Undoubtedly, one of the first systems to be affected by poor sleep is the cardiovascular system. When you don't get enough sleep, your blood pressure elevates, your heart rate gets higher than normal, and inflammation increases inside vessels, which significantly puts you at greater risk for heart disease and stroke. Sleep also impacts your immune defense. During deep sleep, cells that helps to fight infection multiplies. Without these cells, you get sick more often, illnesses last longer, and your body's recovery process slows. Your brain depends on sleep to stay sharp and emotionally balanced. Lack of sleep can cause memory formation to weaken. Your focus drops, your reaction time becomes slow, and your decision-making process becomes impaired. Sleep deprivation may also be linked to mental disorders, increasing anxiety, depression, and mood instability. Here's the good news. Small, consistent changes can improve sleep quality. Going to bed and waking up at the same time, reducing screen exposure before bed, keeping your room cool, dark, and quiet, getting morning sunlight exposure, avoiding caffeine, getting regular exercise, and maintaining a balanced diet all improves sleep. Poor sleep doesn't destroy your health all at once. It slowly erodes it. So, prioritize good sleep habits and take control of your health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health insights. See you in the next video.